Hey guys, it's me, iiVoltageWolf. Why is it not focusing? Yeah, focus on that. Alright, in today's video, it's a tutorial on how to make a ROFLcopter. Now, you've known the meme since 2007. I'm here to recreate it with a drone. This is 2020, and it shall still thrive. Alright, so first you're gonna need a big drone like this. This is a Vivitar AeroView thing. And, it's really nice. It's very reliable and very durable. So it's good for the job. Next, you're gonna have to grab a note here. This is just a note that I artistically wrote Raffle on. And now you place it on the top of the drone like this if you have something like a Vivitar AeroView or such. And all you have to do now is, in order to actually have the energy from the note go into the copter, all you have to do is make the Microsoft Sam SOI noise. Alright, do this as many times as you like. The more times you do it, the more powerful it is, you know? Alright, so first you have to say, my ROFLcopter goes, and then that begins it. My ROFLcopter goes swa 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 swa. See, like I did that, you know, you may not notice it because these rotors aren't really turning. Well, the energy is in there, alright? Right inside. And all you have to do is grab your drone remote and start flying it around, and it'll start doing the Microsoft Sam ROFLcopter noise, as you'd expect. And, that's pretty much it. If you want to see more content like this in the future, like gaming, vlogs, furry-related content, consider hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel. Tap or click the bell to get notified of all new videos, but be advised that you're not gonna see many tutorials like this, because, you know, not many people look into them nowadays, and they don't really care unless if they really are desperate. But, this has been iiVoltageWolf, and I'll see you guys in the next session. Goodbye, pack mates.